Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with. And so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Clay here on Ronin Forex, and in this video I want to talk about law of attraction and Forex trading, and do the two to go together. You know, I get this question a lot, like, is it even possible to make money trading? And you know, the answer is yes. And the way law of attraction ties into this whole deal, you know, obviously isn't like you would think it does. Like, you know, you can't sit there, and you probably tried this before. I know I have. You can't sit there and be like, please go in profit. My trade will go in profit. My trade will go in profit. Like, the market will break you if you do that. And it probably has before. I know it's broken me, right? So the thing is that you can't wish your way into a trade or out of a trade. You can't pray when it comes to the market, and because it just doesn't work that way. And I know we have all tried and had those sleepless nights. You don't even want to look at your phone at times, and it sucks, man. It's the biggest range of emotions you could possibly have, and luckily I don't have to live like that anymore, because it was a horrible way to go about it, you know. And I've found a mentor and developed my own style of trading. But the way that law of attraction ties into this, and I teach this to my students, is that it's all about our mindset. And we have to erase our past belief patterns. We have to erase what we thought was possible for ourselves. And this is no easy task, because for a very long time there's a certain amount of programming from our school, from our parents, from our community, from the environment around us about money and about how we made money. Like, I remember the first time that I saw, like, I was with, it wasn't somebody else's post, I was with my mentor, saw him trading, and saw him just clearing profitable trade after profitable trade, and I was like, dude, what are you doing? Oh my God, it blew my mind. Seriously, it blew my mind. I was like, you just made as much in a day as I made last month, and I didn't know what to do. And since then I was hooked. I knew that, what I did know is that I was gonna learn how to do this no matter what. And that's one of the first things you need to develop as far as a mindset, like a no matter what mindset. Secondly, I knew that some things had to change in here, and they still do. Like, the belief that it is possible for me to do that. I had to bring that into, like, law of attraction, and that was and still is journaling every day. Not every day, most my good days, I write down I'm profitable and consistent Forex trader. I write it down in present tense, I write it down in past tense, and state it out loud to the universe. And that is the law of attraction I'm talking about. I would go on runs, go run for 3-4 miles, just repeating over and over and over. I'm a consistent, profitable Forex trader. I'm a consistent, profitable trader. I'm profitable trader. Running it over just to convince myself that I was, and that I am, and that I am capable of doing this. And if you go about that, you can reprogram your mind for success, whether it's trading, whether it's, you know, whatever it is you're doing. Baseball, I don't know, but you got to reprogram yourself for success. And the most successful people on the planet, that's what they've done. And so, you know, that is how you can use law of attraction to make you a better trader. And I have methods, I have ways to do that, I have strategies I teach my students. So if you'd like to get involved, or if you'd like to join a free community where I still send out tons of updates, I send out free trades, free charts and news articles, and just market updates. If you'd like to get in on that, it's absolutely free. Click the link below and we can start to rewire our brains today for success and for success in the market. So hope you found this video helpful. See you in there. Peace.